Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the thing by which Maruti is even subsidized. The automatic cars are selling higher in the market today because the cities are getting more crowded. So here are some precautions to be taken when you are driving an automatic car. When you are driving from downhill or ghats or hills, be careful that you do not put your gear in the drive mode. Put it in the manual mode and shift the gear by using the joystick, because otherwise your car will jam and stop there early. So second thing, when you are reversing the car, let the car stop, then only shift to the drive mode, or else your gearbox can jam. Third, when you are stuck or driving in city traffic, don't use both of the legs, which commonly everyone does. Fourth, when you are stuck in city traffic or traffic jams, don't put the car in the parking mode. Instead, put the car in neutral, put the handbrake, then leave your leg from the brake. Don't even apply the brake. So what do you think about this? Comment below. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe, man. Please subscribe. You won't